Hey everybody, I'm Brandon with ShopperInformer.com, and today I'm going to unbox for you these SuperBeet Heart Chews, a great product by HumanN. Let's get into it. Alright, so we've got our bag of beet chews right here, and obviously there's a wide variety of different supplements on the market for anything you can think of, especially when it comes to your health and wellness. But the beets we got here today have a nice focus on cardiovascular health. And with this particular product, we're looking to promote natural blood pressure, heart-healthy energy, and support blood flow. Now, I love the flavor of beets as is, but for this particular one, we've got pomegranate berry flavored chews. If we take a look at the backside of the packaging here, it says 2 chews per serving, so you've got a 30-day supply in the bag. It only is 40 calories per serving, which is next to nothing in my opinion. And with that, you're gonna be getting 500 milligrams of beetroot powder, along with 150 milligrams of grapeseed extract per serving. Once we open up the bag, you're going to notice here that all of the chews are actually individually wrapped themselves, which is real nice because it's a chew, right? A chew isn't like a gummy or a candy. They're a little bit soft and tacky on the outside. This is going to keep them nice and fresh and prevent them from sticking and globbing together. But once we unwrap them, you can see we've got a good sized chew right here. And just like I said, right, it's got that nice kind of like soft squish to it. So if you've ever had like a Werther's Original or maybe like the Soft Chew Starburst, very, very similar. Now, when it comes to taste and texture, I think they have this thing dialed in just right. It's got the right amount of chew. It's not overly sticky. It doesn't feel like you're going to pull any fillings out of the teeth. And then flavor-wise, considering this is predominantly beetroot powder in a chew form, I think they've got it dialed in, right? It's just a little bit sweet, but it doesn't taste like candy. I did get some hints of chocolate, but maybe that was my palate playing games with me. But taste, texture, 10 out of 10, would do again. Now with this particular product, we got a nice plant-based, non-GMO, caffeine-free beetroot supplement. We've also got a clinically researched French grapeseed extract, and the two of those combined can help and promote nitric oxide production. Now, not to get into a bunch of technobabble, but I'm going to. Nitric oxide naturally occurs within the body, and when you have an increase in nitric oxide, it helps promote vasodilation, which is the dilation of blood vessels, which means there's more blood flowing through the vessels, which lowers blood pressure. In that sense, like, I take that a lot as someone who exercises a lot because you get that pump, okay? But if you're not looking for the pump, what you're gonna be having is more blood flow, which means more oxygen can actually flow through the blood vessels. It's a win-win on both ends. At the end of the day, there's a lot of different ways to supplement beetroot and beetroot powder, and these chews are one vehicle in that. What makes them really convenient is that they're individually wrapped. You can take them with you on the go. You don't need to do powder and water and mix it and like this whole concoction in order to get the same supplement in a compact form factor. So that's my opinion for the day, and for more great reviews like this, check out ShopperInformer.com. The link is down in the description.